All right, let's see what I can do with this one. Got a few, well, what do we have? 3 or 4 different exponent properties happening here at once. This is a rational expression, so we have a fraction again with some stuff happening on the top, not so much happening on the bottom, but take a look at the top for a second. We've got the product of 2 powers, and those powers have the same base. So what can I do with their exponents? Even if they're fractions, I can add them. Now, we have the benefit of already having a common denominator in our exponents, so when I add these together, I only have to add the numerators in those powers. On the bottom, I still have x to the 1/4. Now, what is this? This is a quotient of powers. And when you have 2 powers in a fraction together, you can subtract their exponents. So here, I'm not as lucky. I actually have different denominators for x, but I'm pretty sure we're all savvy enough to notice if I want this to be an 8, I'd multiply it by 2. So I multiply the top by 2. I get 2/8 instead of that 1/4 that was on the bottom. 5/8 minus 2/8 is 3/8. And what is this? This is x cubed under an 8th root. So we have the 8th root of x cubed. Or if you will, we could write this as x cubed to the 1/8 power. We can break that power up and write it whichever way benefits us the most.